What a brilliant marriage, and I just wanted to share some cooking joy, some brilliant cooking ideas for you and your family today. So today we're getting ready to do lunch, and so it's a great way. We're all going to cook it together, and we're going to cook it in the air fryer. So it's a great way for you and your kids just to bond together, but also it's a quick lunch. It only take like 10 minutes, like 5 minutes to prepare and 5 minutes to cook. And you see my kids are ready. So here we have the Power Airfryer XL, and you'll be able to get it all. So like it, there's so many different air fryers. This is my favorite one. I love it, and it will also have a link to our link where you guys can get it in case you want. It's fabulous. It's plugged up already. And then we have all of our ingredients: our buns, our Oscar Mayer wieners, Kraft, sharp cheddar. Again, you can have whatever you want. Miracle Whip, mustard, ketchup, and then we have our pepper plates because I don't like to wash very much, and it's just easier for us this way. You guys can totally get whatever you want. Some people use gluten-free buns. It's just totally, you know, vegan, like no meat wieners. So it's just kind of up to you, whatever feels good for you and your family. Okay, what's your name? Julius what? Hey, what's your name? Hey, say hi, everyone. Okay, say wave. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and get started. Julius, can you get some hot dog? Can you get some hot dog buns and put them? No, hot dog buns. Get the buns, Julius, right here. So get the buns and put them in the air fryer for us.
Yes.
Put them in there. Yep. Put 2. I need 2. Can you count for me?
1, 2.
Okay. Okay, Julius, that's not gonna work. Can we have them flat, please, laying down? Julius, turn them straight. Turn them flat. Perfect. Not the other way. Like this is flat. There we go. Now try the other one. You gotta turn it flat, Julius. Perfect. All right. Thank you. Thanks for throwing that in. All right. Put them. It's gonna come on. And so we're gonna press the power button. We're gonna change the temperature to 390, and we're just gonna put it on about 2 to 3 minutes. Your preference. But usually 2 minutes that's fine. But something like a little bit crispier. So we'll do. Actually, I'm just gonna do 2. Buns are cooking. It's 2 minutes. What do you think, Julius? Are you excited? Julius, what are you gonna say to the camera? Yeah, the 2 minutes have passed. So it's there. So I'm just gonna try it, see if it feels okay. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna take it out, and then we're gonna put the weenies in. So we're gonna put them there. All right. So. Get our plate ready, and then we're gonna take these out. Okay, so now we're gonna put the weenies in. So you guys, look how fast that was. 2 minutes. All right, CJ. So I see it. So let's keep it back. CJ, here, let's put these in. Here, CJ, here. Here's your weenie. Okay, you don't want it?
I can do it.
Here, drop it in. Drop it. Oh, we missed it. All right, drop. Perfect, don't touch it. Okay, CJ, look at me. Did you do it? Did you do it, CJ? Here's one more. Don't touch it. Drop it. Perfect. We have 2 weenies in, guys. So now we're gonna do 3 more minutes now, because it's a total of 5. All right, we'll be back. So we're gonna turn this on. We're gonna go up to 390 again, and we're gonna go down to the 3 minutes.
Touch it. Touch it. No! Touch it.
And it's gonna start. As you can see, our buns are very crisp. So see how crispy. So we're gonna set them there. Okay. Julius, what do you think about the buns? How do you think they feel? Good. What do you think, CJ? Do you think the buns are okay? So sometimes you can put slits in them to make them crispy, but these are just for the kids, so I'm not really worried about that. And again, you can put whatever you would like on them. Julius doesn't like anything on his, so we have it for anything.
Mama, this is hot.
I think it's too hot right now, Julius.
Mama, untouch this?
Yeah.
But not that.
Yeah, you can't touch that. You want to take a bite? You want to take a bite? What do you think, Julius? What do you think? Good. CJ, what did you think? CJ just wants to lean. There you go. Okay. What do you think, Julius?
Good.
Okay.
All right, guys, as you can see, that was super easy. Dinner is ready. Breakfast is ready. If you do hot dogs for breakfast. But either way, it's ready in 10 minutes, 5 minutes to prepare, and then about 5 minutes to cook. It was super easy. And it's even easier that they didn't even want any condiments. You know, that was super easy.
The hot dog
Yeah.
was so fast.
So fast, so easy. Nobody's having a temper tantrum. Everybody's patient. It is amazing. So guys, thank you for letting us, share this with you. Brilliant Living with Amber and Curtis. Okay guys, we'll see you next time. Next time we'll be doing some air fryer chips. Because sometimes you can pair these hot dogs with fruit. Sometimes we'll choose strawberries or grapes or whatever their fruit jam is at the time. So yeah, just thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our Facebook page, like our Instagram page. All right, see you later from where we're Bye.